So, Mayha, can you read the problem for me, please?
A tank contains 30 liters of water at time t equals 5 hours. Water is being pumped into the tank at a rate RT is measured in liters per hour and T is measured in hours. Select the values of RT are given in the table above. Using the Rayham sum with 4 sub-intervals and the data from the table, what is the approximation of the numbers of liters of water that are in the tank of time t equals 19 hours?
Thank you. So, we're gonna highlight all together. What do you think is the first words that we're gonna highlight? The tank contains 30 liters. So, I'd like you to highlight first 30 liters. Okay? And then, what else? A time, 5 hours. So therefore, it has an initial amount of water, 30 liters. Okay? At the start, 5 hours. So, I'm gonna write here. Is this 11? Okay. And then 15? Okay. And then 19. Sorry. Okay. So, test taking strategy, it has already an initial amount of 30. So, write 30 right here. Okay. And what's next? Write Rayman sum. And then how many sub-intervals? 4 sub-intervals. So you're gonna say from here to here. Okay. So we have B minus A, right? So which means 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? It's gonna be 3. And then 11 minus 8. It's gonna be 3 also. Okay. And then 15 minus 11. It's gonna be 4. And then 19 minus 15. It's gonna be 4 also. Now look. Given tabular problem. Because if it is graph, it's another way. So this is a technique. If the problem on Rayman sum is tabular or table, okay? Now, what does it say? Write Rayman sum, meaning from the height. What are the heights? 3, 3, 4, 4, right? Of the rectangle. You go directly to the right.
Me too.
So, meaning, boom, to the right, from top to the right. Make sense? So, and then 3 times 4. Then 4 times 3.5, and then 4 times 2. So how we now formulate the integration? We say, don't ignore this because this is the initial, right? So the initial is 30 plus the integral. And what is the time? From 5 to 19. Okay? The accumulation from 5 to 19. Okay. Anyway, this is multiple choice. This is the guide, okay? So, what to do now? It's gonna be 3 times 5. Accumulation means plus the summation. Okay, next. 3 times 4. What's next? 4 times 3.5. And what's next? 4 times 2. And then, do mental math now. So, which means, what's next, guys? I have the intention why I write that way. Will you agree? I always trick my students. Is that correct? No one? Okay. No one recognized. So, 30 plus the integral from 5 to 19. It's gonna be RT dt. Is approximately 30 plus. Okay? The initial plus the accumulation from time 5 to 19. This is how you write. Okay? Next. So, we are safe now to write, if this is FRQ, we are now safe to write equal sign. Because the AP corrector, although this is already computer generated, because you will be taking the first time online. So, we have 30 plus, what is this? 15 plus 12 plus 14, okay, plus 8. Add this. 27, 37, 41, 49. Am I right? 49? Okay. 49. So therefore, it's gonna be 79 as the final answer. Okay. Moving on to number 9. Unless you have questions for number 8, please let me know. Okay? We're here to help one another. So, number 9, given as f of x. 2x cubed, and then the g of x is 2x plus 3. And then it's asking on f of g of x. Okay. Evaluated at x equals 1, right?
What's that symbol?
Okay, it's a very good question. This is now composite function. Okay, composition of functions. Okay, so which means we are applying, in that case, look at this. What is outside? F. And what is the equation for F? 2x cubed. So you write it this way, the F. 2, I'd like you to have that. Whatever's the x. So in this case, the technique is if what letter is outside, so you write that. But make sure to put parentheses for the x. And then q. Am I right, guys? And then what is to be written inside? The g, right? Which is 2x plus 3. Okay. And then apply now power and chain, right? You apply now power and chain. Before I continue, is this clear to you? So what to do with the power? Can I just multiply right away? 3 times 2, which is 6. Okay? Or, hey guys, you want me to do that right away? Okay. So, which means 6 times 2x plus 3, and then the power decreases by 1. Okay? The power decreases by 1. So this means 2. Aquarium. inside. What's the derivative of inside? 2. So we can now say 2 times 6. What is 2 times 6? 12. Okay. 12. And then 2x plus 3 square. Evaluated at x equals 1. So you plug in 1 now. Okay? Plug in 1. So 2 times 1 is 2 plus 3. 5. Then square of 5. 25. Right? 25 and then times 12. Anybody has the answer? What is 25 times 12? Okay, 300. Any question?